You've heard the expression, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Thank goodness we don't believe that. Every person who has ever used a ratchet strap has encountered the exact same problem. The process of fighting with your ratchet straps to get the webbing free is not only an inconvenience, it's frustrating and can be a safety issue. Our patented SPIN FREE Ratchets have solved that problem. The fight is over. Our unique patented design allows the mandrel in the SPIN FREE Ratchet to spin freely, earning them the reputation as the most user-friendly ratchet ever made. SPIN FREE Ratchets make better ratchet straps. They make better ratchet straps for utility trailer tie-downs, hunting straps, auto hauler straps, boating straps, flatbed trailer straps, anything and everything. SPIN FREE Ratchets make better cargo control straps. Period. Now available in 1-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch versions. SPIN FREE Ratchets are revolutionizing the ratchet strap industry.